What's up? Welcome back. What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Meow meow. What's up, man? How are y'all doing? Let's get this 6 a.m. stream here going, man. All right. Can y'all hear me? Is everything good? Y'all can hear me? You know she's serious when you come live on. Yeah, man. Like it's either ride or die. Ride or die, buddy. Let me try to fix some things here to the side. Make sure the desktop audio is not being shared. Okay, that's good. So let me now play my Spotify. All right. Do you guys know Sean Lee? Do you guys know this guy? Have you ever heard of him? This guy here? Do you guys know him? I would like to know if you guys know Sean Lee or not. Alright, while you guys answer, I think there's some sort of delay on stream. Let me check if there's a delay or not. Yeah, there's a little bit of delay. Clear voice. Okay, perfect. So let's get this started. So I'll be here until 7:30, and then I gotta go. Gotta do a meeting, and then I'll be back at 9:15, 9:30, something like this. So yeah. So from the get-go, I just want to go for a high with anticipation that maybe ES would fail to manipulate. So again, that daily profile is perfect for 20 sec. Exactly. Yep. So again, looking at this day, let's start from the daily. I hopped on like 6 minutes earlier just to be able to kind of go through the daily on each pair. Oh, what's that? What? Okay, now we good. Oh wow, that's too slow. What is going on? All right, now we good. All right, it's all good. So really, looking at the previous day, this is the ideal swing formation where you have the daily forms a C2. Again, this is a C2 by the way, just because of the fact that this is Monday. The opening price is lower, so the opening price is here. But again, like this is a C2, traded below the low, then we expand it higher. And the beautiful thing is, we'll still get this high I've been traded into, even though like yes, they trade into it, I think. YM did too. Not yet, which is so good. So what do we have now? We have this SMT here, which is this one here, right? So we're going to anticipate the SMT break. And not only we can trade into the high on YM, we can also trade into the high with anticipation that this is a fair to manipulate this level. And we can also continue to this high here. There's a lot of range. We'll still have 6 a.m. 4-hour candle, which is a huge candle. And also 10 a.m. and also 1400. So I think we might see an expansion up into like these highs here. So from the get-go, what do we have? Freely mark out the previous daily range. So again, this one just flipped as a PSP due to the fact that the current YM is bearish. But again, they still got 11 hours to close, so it doesn't really matter for now. Again, we take the low and high. Where can we anticipate to continue from? Somewhere in the EQ, either a range, so either a gap, or a swing low or high. In that case, since we want to look for buys, and we're trying to frame that C3 to the upside, we want to look for some sort of low. Looking on a 4-hour, what do we have? Just yesterday, 10 a.m., we formed this range here. What we ended up doing was sweeping that range. And now, not only that, we're also confirming this auto block here. So we have the C2, we have the expansion of 2 a.m. But I think you couldn't have catch that one. I was on the charts, by the way, somewhere in here. But I did not really try. I tried to frame longs into the high, but there was nothing really perfect there to kind of trade. Also, on the M15, it was like a straight back-to-back expansion. And I did not really want to trade like within a range, if you really check here. Again, because we expanded lower range, you don't really anticipate that we're going to reverse off of a range. So I was like, maybe we can do this and then expand higher, or I'll wait for some sort of like gap to then continue from. But unfortunately, we don't have one now. But that's alright, because we have the new hourly, new 15-minute, new 30-minute, new hourly, new 90-minute, new 4 hour, new 6 hours. So we got a lot of candles opening at the same time. And if you really check again, looking at that 6 hour, we have retracement, expansion. What can we anticipate? Retracement, expansion back, open low, enter key level, form a swing, continue to the upside. Same on YM. And on ES, I'll not really be touching ES for the moment. Even though like it's a stronger asset, but there's nothing really to kind of frame into. We just traded into the high. So it's better to take the fair to manipulate. Fair to manipulate on ES and a continuation on NQ. So make the framework on ES and the trade on NQ. Ideally NQ. NQ since it's stronger. Like it's, if you guys see here, compared to YM, it's a lot stronger. So yeah, it just, and also it sets up really cleanly. Even though like the SSMT here shows that there's a strength on YM, but I just like the fact I want to trade this. This pair looks a lot cleaner. This asset looks a lot cleaner, not pair. Pair is on 4x. So what do we have? C2, C3. What can we anticipate? EC4. Do you think we can have a retracement? Like, because this is a small bad candle, we cannot retrace back to the EQ. But for such candle list, like to kind of retrace all the way back down here, hopefully we can get that. That would be perfect. I hope we can retrace back into the EQ and then frame like a trade on 30-minute to have a gap. And with this fat ass gap here, that would be also perfect, like to kind of retrace back here and then go higher. M15, there are no gaps. There are literally no gaps. Maybe like if we kind of trade below this level here, form some sort of SMT here, that would be also clean. So let's see. But to kind of trade here, it's not really clean. And if you guys remember yesterday on CL, where's that trade that I took? This one. I took like this. Literally I took something here. Was it this one? These are trades that I could have taken later on. But due to the fact that we get that win. So if you guys here yesterday, you guys know what happened yesterday. So this was like a proper trade that you could take. I took this one because it was so high and like it failed. So I'm just gonna go with the same analysis here. We're just too overextended, so I'm not really gonna touch that one. But if we have a strength switch with ES, then maybe I can touch it. But for now, we don't have a strength switch, so it ain't worth touching. I'll just wait for a further retracement back, or we form this key level and then we open low into that key level and then we trade away. That would be perfect. Because really, this scan layer isn't forming off of anything. Like, it's just EC2. So there's nothing really happening here. No gap, no order block. It's just kind of retesting this overall range. So for the time being, longs are really sexy on NSCs, and that will be really the bias for me. Just trying to frame, like, this is the current low of day. We do have a 4 hour, I guess. I think 6 hour. We all have that 6 hour SMT here. So yeah, just this one stage here. I think it's just one stage, right? Let me check. Yeah, it's just one stage. So yeah, like we have this one. We had the SMT, then the SMT got broken. We had the SMT, then SMT got broken, and then we started expansion. Oh, this is ES. No, forget about it. We need YM here. So I think we do have like a 2-stage. Yeah, we do have a 2-stage. Like first stage, then the second stage here, but it doesn't really matter. Like just this one stage here because it's confirmed at 1800. We don't really care what happened before 1800. So yeah, I'm gonna mark out 2 levels, which is this M15 low, because I want to see this low getting taken out, and this gap. These are like the only 2 areas that I can be willing to trade from. Same for YM, like trade below the low. Because if you really check, like this current range here got rebalanced. This range also got rebalanced. So like the only thing you can do is just like try to go from this range to this range, which just corresponds with that 4 hour candle. So we're in extreme premium. So you don't really want to be a long in from here. You don't really want to be a long in from here. So just gotta wait for a sec here. Yeah, that's really it for NSCs. So, and again, we're sitting also like the overall range. If you really check from this low, we're in extreme discount, extreme premium. So yeah, and also like the only thing is here, like from this current low to the TP to whatever that TP is, we are in discount. But yeah, it just ain't good, bro. Let me see what I don't know. Nothing here, bro. Oh, we have this gap here, just like the reshots did. Yeah, but like let's wait and see. Hopefully we open low. Hopefully. So let's see. 3-minute. Let's see at a 90-minute. Let me see what the 90-minute is doing. Yeah, saying there's nothing really on the 90-minute. See, yeah, nothing. 3-minute. Yep. So just gotta wait. Either one is the trade, so I'm just gonna put another alert here Just gonna be cautious of what's happening if we trade above the high, and that's really it with NSEs. So we just gotta wait here for an hour and a half. If we get that set up, that would be good. If not, we'll have to wait until 9:30. But if I'm outside on the way there and then it sets up, I might take it on my phone. NSEs, metals, ain't nothing really going on, bro. Is this why do I have CL here? This is Nasdaq. This is GC. Oh wow, I have all this messed up. You know, I'm just keep it for a minute. Or you know what I'm going. Oh wow, what is this? Nice. All right. Let me go here. Let me go to daily. So far, Monday range bound. Tuesday range bound. So what do I want to see? I'm just gonna be so cautious here, and I'm just gonna wait for the extremes to get hit. Like really, give me this extreme or this extreme. Other than that, I'm not really interested. I think I'm just gonna get chopped out here. Yeah, there's nothing really. So we're feeling to CSD lower. Like taking this candle here to the upside kind of makes sense. But the only problem is we don't have any SMT here. Like if we just had some sort of SMT here, that would be like really clean. But we don't have. This is the extreme low. I don't want to like frame an SMT here or like some sort of candles here. So yeah, but like this continuation of the upside looks valid, to be honest. Like it looks valid. Like we have this C3 here again. Where can we frame continuation from the EQ? Let's see the hourly. Do I have a gap? To kind of retrace back into the gap, it's like really far away. So we might like try to frame like the remnant gap or something like that. M15 or like trade below this low and then reverse. That's like the only thing. Or if we expand, form a gap, then that SMT failed, then that might make some sense. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna set an alert here. All right, NQ is retracing, I guess. Hopefully NQ is retracing. Beautiful. Thank you, NQ. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, so let's see. So we're not gonna trade now. There's nothing really we can trade. I'm not gonna trade this two-stage PSP. Let's see. Let me see. We do have a two-stage PSP 15. It's like so close to the low. It's almost a fair swing. Alright, I'm just gonna set another alert here. Let me see what's gonna happen here. Alright, we're just gonna push lower. I think we're gonna break the SMG. I think we're gonna like a bunch of equal lows here. It's like perfect support resistance. Set your set your buy limit here and hope for the best. And don't forget to hit thumbs up, guys. We got 20 viewers and only 4 likes. Come on, if you guys haven't hit the thumbs up, that would be really good. So hit the thumbs up. Let's get it to 20 likes. Come on, everybody on the stream. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, you can just boom, move your mouse and click like. Or if you're on your phone, that's a lot easier. And just just press the screen. You'll see the like button and press it. That would really help me and help the channel grow. So yeah, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. So looks like the SMT is holding, by the way. Looks like the SMT is holding here, so. Oh wow. That's good. Let's see. But it's just like a bunch of fairy swings here. Are we gonna get that CISD here or not? Like ideally not, to be honest. I just want to see like a deeper retracement. So I might just have to kind of like avoid. Let me see the M1. Alright, I think we're just gonna continue lower now. Yeah, I think we're gonna break the low now from this gap here. Gold. This is from yesterday. I just highlighted them when I highlighted them today. This was a strength switch, but I'm not taking out of that because it's just ranging. All right, let's see what's going on with energies, or whatever they call them. Let me clean up the charts. All right, so what do we have from the get-go? This candle, it doesn't really support expansion for the time being, so ideally just trade it back into the current low day, or maximum previous daily low, maximum. Because just look at that. Look at Monday's range. Look at Monday's range. just like almost the same. So I might try to expand a little bit lower to kind of take out that low. So yeah, we traded above the previous daily high. Do we have any SMTs? But look at RB. It's kind of, we have this SMT like ages ago. Like we had this SMT ages ago, but it got broken for the first time, second time, third time. So I think at some point this SMT is gonna get broken. Is it today or tomorrow? Not really sure, but let's see what do we have. We don't have really a strength switch. We have a first stage SMT here, but we don't have any second stage here with HO. Also traded above the high. Also RB traded above the high. So let's see if we can frame something on a 4 hour. On a 4 hour, where we have, do we have a 2-stage PSP? I think we do have a 2-stage PSP. Where's my indicator? Yup, yeah, we do have that 2-stage PSP here. So this one is bullish. Wait, let me turn that off. This one's bullish, so I think it's on RB. I think the PSP is with RB. Not really. Oh, this is CL. Forget about it. It should be on RB, right? Yeah. So we got the 2-stage PSP. So we got this PSP here, and we started distributing lower from it. So we got the PSP. And that's a clean strength switch here. We think we do have a strength switch with HO. Yup. We do have a strength switch. Yeah, we do have a strength switch here. So we got that strength switch here on CL. So if you really check first stage, and we got the second stage here. So from stronger, the PSP. So you're already kind of framing this like with this alone, with this PSP and the SMT from irrelevant swing, you would anticipate that we're gonna expand lower. At least to kind of rebalance this current range here from the low to high. This is the opening price of the 4 hour candle. So it was just kind of framed the high here, I guess. Yep. And then we saw the distribution now of price lower. So again, insane. I want to see retracement back into like this gap here, or like a lower time frame gap. Let me see the hourly. Yeah, the hourly is a lot better. So we're just gonna focus on this gap here. And this setup literally reminds me of the gold setup. I think Garrett took it the other day. I don't remember. Oh wow. Holy fuck, man, what just happened? Oh god, man. Wow. Are there news? Oh man, I think the session is gone, man. I think the session is gone. Forex Factory. No news, bro. What happened? Oh my god, bro. Trump just... Yeah, let me refresh this. What just happened? Nothing. I don't know what happened. I think it's gonna get updated in a minute. 15 minutes. The last thing that's happened is 15 minutes ago. I'm not sure what happened here. Did Trump say some shit? Let me check Twitter. Let me check. Let me go to Twitter here. See what's going on. Oh wow. Oh well, we already got that. Let me check Twitter here on my phone. Trump. Donald Jr. Trump. Real Donald Trump. Nothing. Nothing is going on. It said nothing on his IG.
The United States and its partners have launched. You have been by my side, Dan. We'll never forget it.
Nothing. Also, the reply is nothing, so I don't know what's going on, man. I don't know what happened, so. I don't know. Jeez, 90 points can... Yeah, bro, I don't know what happened, man. Oh, Dean, what's up, man? It's been a minute. This is keep on doing... Yeah, it's a lot, man. It was like 4 a.m. just now. Sun pumped EU and gold pop. SMG between silver and gold. I know you would not believe me. I literally entered the shorts previous. Why you entered the shorts? Because of this break here? Anticipating that we're gonna fill the gap, or why? Nice, interesting. I think now the session is over, guys. I think just by now. 1 hour SMT fail? Yeah, bro, but this SMT fail is Trump SMT fail. Or whatever SMT fail it is. Now let's see. We gotta wait for a sec. At least for the next 15 minutes, I think we're not gonna trade here. We don't have an SMT here. Let me see ES. Yeah, same. I think we gotta... Yeah, there's nothing we can do, man. There's nothing we can do about it. Yeah, there's no SMT. There are no cracks in correlation here. On M15, we traded below this low. Same here. Same on ES. 30 minute. Yeah, same. So just gotta wait here, bro. Like we need What we need is like expansion and then an SMT fell on the way up. And just trade the universal model. There's nothing really we can frame right now. Maybe gold. Gold looks a bit cleaner. With like this two-stage PSP, but I don't trust these gaps. And literally, this is the lesson that I was gonna take right now. Look at this. Isn't this the same setup? We trade into the gap, but you don't want to trade into the gap. Wait for the swing and then take it low. So what I want to wait for is like just close the gap, wait the swing, and then take the low to high. I don't want to trade when we have a gap here. As long as the gap isn't closed, like 30 minutes, let me check. It's closed, but it's not really closed. It's just to have this one open here. So, same setup here. We got on hourly, two-stage PSP, two-stage PSP, but I wouldn't really trade this candle here. I'll just wait until the retracement back, form a second stage, and then trade it into the low. That's literally what I have my notion here. If you guys check April, I was gonna start taking some notes, but I did not. I just hopped on my chart. I was like, let me keep this for later. I'll just remember it. And I went to do other things. All right. Let's see. But if this 30-minute candle closes the gap, then yeah, I will take it. But for the current M15, nope. Nope. Even though this one closes at PSP and we have that stage here. Let me see. I think we do have the SMG. I think we might frame a two-stage here. This candle here, traded below this one here. Yeah, we do have a two-stage, but it doesn't really matter. So something is coming. Don't participate in the market right now. The same thing happened during the manipulation. Took shorts on NQ. Why you guys took shorts? I'm wondering why you guys took shorts. That's the question. Why you guys decided to take shorts? That should be the question. But GG's, man. If you guys got a good trade, that's all that matters. Wow. Let me put on my clothes, man. Wait. It's starting to get cold. Alright. Let me put this one on. 1 minute, 15-minute TTFM. Oh, nice. You got on the... Oh, where's the TTFM, bro? That's the question. Where's the C2? Why are you entering out? Is this so we're just anticipating this being a C2? But there's no cracks in correlation. So ideally, if you want to take like anticipate a C2, even though like this is a clean open high, where's the opening price? Is it this one? It's a clean open high. But ideally, just have some sort of crack in correlation first. But it's good. I think this is is Kane live stream? I don't think Kane is live streaming. Kane would have taken this one, I guess. If Trader Kane is on a trust, let me check if Kane is live streaming or not. I think he would take this one. He would take this inversion. And take it back to the IQ, so that would be a good win for him. Let me check. What's his YouTube channel? I forgot. Let me check if there's any stream by then. No, they're not streaming. Oh, they streamed. They already did. Let me check if they took that trade or not. No, it was not streaming. No, it was not streaming. One of the other members. Anyways. Alright, so we're getting that continuation higher. I think we're just gonna miss out on that trade, boys. So we get oh wow, 15 minutes passed already. Wow, time flies, really. I've been streaming for 26 minutes. Holy fuck. Wow. I thought I've been streaming for 3 minutes. What the hell? Literally time flies, man. What the? Entered G3 with CIST. Perfect, man. Fei Shanghao. 30 minutes. Let's hit a 45. Yeah, 90 minutes. Oh, bro. No cracks in correlation here, so. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta see it go in without us. I think that's the only thing we can do right now. Or at least we gotta wait here, I guess, for I think at least 30 minutes, because the next candle should expand and then the next candle should expand and form a gap, and then next candle is gonna have that first stage that we can trade into this high. If not, then yeah, I'm just in a range bound market, which I'm not really gonna participate in. So 6 CIC 6 7 thinking 6 8 entry 6 9 more like. Let me see. Oh, so you got in here. You got in after that. That gap was formed, and then you got in here. And then Trump was like, let me pay 8 on for his patience. Good. Very good. I think we're so close, guys, to the we're sitting at 1965 subs, so we still got 135 subs to get to the goal of April, which is to get to 2100 subs. At least 15 streams. I think I did 2 streams already. This is the 3rd stream, so sitting at 3 streams already. 5 trade breakdowns. So we need to take a proper setup. And backtesting session, I think I'm gonna record one this week. It has to be like tomorrow or after tomorrow. I'll record it and get it posted maybe on a weekend. So by the weekend, you guys can anticipate the backtesting session. If I don't, like, keep spamming the general, so I can probably get some motivation to post one this week. So that way, after a week, I can do another one and I get this goal sorted out. Then we'll do the 5 trade breakdown. So yeah, if we take like a proper trade, then we'll do a breakdown for it. So we need to take 5. So yeah, there's a big milestone there that we gotta push to. All right. Yeah, I think guys, that this session might be over. There's nothing going on, and there's a beautiful sunset, sundown. I don't know if this is sunset or sun. Wait, let me share with you guys. Wait. Let me take a picture from my phone. Send you guys on that. Show you guys on Discord. Wait. The weather is beautiful today. Like, it's really beautiful, but it's starting to get cold a little bit. I don't know why. One sec. Let me open the balcony way. Even in, oh man, I gotta go. By the way, Dean, I gotta talk with you. Some things we gotta chat. What's the news? Says news update in the Netherlands is sunny. Very good, man. I want to go to Europe, man. I'm planning to go to Europe next year. I don't know if I should go or not. Anybody here lives in Italy? Is anybody here from Italy, guys? I'm planning to go to Italy next year, so I don't know if I should go or stay in China. And like, I'm talking for real, by the way. Like, if somebody's here in Italy, I really want to have a chat with somebody here. So I need some advice. I want to see like the perspective there, like I want to know the living expenses there and stuff like that, so I can be more prepared. So to make the right move. I don't want to go there and be surprised and be like, oh shit, I should have just stayed in China. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so too, because we got a 2100 sub to go. Let me close the balcony. If you guys haven't subscribed already, as I said, let's see if we can get it to like 1970 subs by the end of this stream. Let's see. We still got 4 subs, so let's see. Hopefully. Come to Portugal. It's just as nice. But I think Italy, it's easier for me to go to Italy. So that's why. Why Italy? Because it's easier. In my case, it's easier. And also like the country, they say it's very beautiful, and I think it's very beautiful too. So yeah, but who knows? I might change plans because now I'm thinking either stay in China for the next 2, 3, 4 years, or go to Europe and like start a new experience. So I don't know which one to go with. So that's why I'm here on stream telling you guys if you guys have any suggestions. Exactly. That's a very good one. And it is close to my home country. Exactly. That's one of the biggest reasons why. Not one of the biggest, but I think like um if you put reasons why, it's like more of a B plus reason. Yeah. I've never went back to Morocco for the past 3 years. I've been here for the past 3 years, and it's really rough. It's tough to like. Just thinking about going back is just, oh my god, bro. 22 hours in plane. I think 22 hours again, including layovers for like 5 hours or 6 hours. So it's really far. So in Italy, you can just boom, book a trip on a weekend, just go back and then go back again. Well, I'm off to a new city in 5 days for 6 to 8 months. Why? You got some internship or work or school? Damn, yeah, bro, it takes too much, bro. And if you wanna, and by the way, if you wanna fly from China, you have to go to Shanghai, or you wanna go to Guangzhou or Beijing. And I live in another city, so I have to take a flight to another city for like 3 to 4 hours because China is fucking huge. And then, um, you have to go back. Let me show you something here. So this is China, right? I live in Chengdu. This is what I live. Let me show you guys. I live in Chengdu. It's near Chongqing. It's here. This is where I live. So if I want to go to Morocco, by the way, is to the left. Morocco is here. Like you have to go left and go down. I gotta go from Chengdu to Beijing and then go back. Or from Chengdu to Shanghai and go back. Or Chengdu to, where is it called? Kunming? Where's Kunming? Kunming is supposed to be in the south. Somewhere in here, there's a city called Kunming. Not Nanning, Kunming. Go here and then go. So, or Guangzhou. Guangzhou is also somewhere. Here's Guangzhou. Chengdu, Guangzhou, and then go back. So, and again, just from Chengdu to Guangzhou, or Chengdu to Shanghai, or Chengdu to Qingdao, or Beijing, it takes like 3 hours. So, it's just so troublesome. So it's just like, oh man, I don't want to go. Yep, I think 1.5 hours. I think so. I'm not really sure. I think it depends on the city. Let me check. I'll go from. It takes. Let me do it like Milan, Italy to Marrakesh. It takes 3 hours. It's a lot better, bro. It's a lot better for 3 hours. Like to go for 3 hours flight than to stay on like a 22-hour flight. And by the way, why? Oh my god! On the way to China, I had a layover. I wanted to stay in Turkey, so I was like, let me have like a 3 days break in Turkey. I stayed a family and then go. So I went from Morocco to Turkey. I spent 3 days in Turkey, or I don't know, like 2 or 3 days. And then when I wanted to go China, I missed my plane. I missed my flight. And yeah, that was really fucked up. And like, if like for example, if I want to go from Italy to Morocco, and I miss the plane on Italy, at least I got my house there. If I miss a plane on another country, that's a whole different story, man. Like you gotta pay a lot of things, hotel and a lot of things, and then pay for the flight. So it was really costly that night. I think it cost me like $1,200 to, including the hotel and also the flight. And I had to change everything. I was going to Guangzhou first, and then I went to Beijing at the end. So it was a fucked up situation. Melting, yeah, bro. We can do nothing, man. So we just gotta wait, bro. I'm not really gonna touch this for the time being. So there's nothing really I could trade. We just still got sitting at this 4-hour gap. So maybe if we trade below the low, that would be good to go to the upside. For now, I'm not really touching this. I'm not gonna touch gold. I'm not gonna touch HO. I'm not really gonna touch anything. It's just like a lot of volatility drivers now. So yeah. It just, yeah, bro. It was tough, man. It was rough. Back then, how old was I? I was 19, bro. It felt really, because that was my first time going out of Morocco, like flying out the country. It was, I was like, shit, why? So let's see. A range bound market, so this is what you should expect. Again, like wow, interesting. Well, each is just gonna break above the highs. Let's see, yes. So we do have the SMT right now. Like we do have this SMT here. At least we have some sort of SMT. At least we do have some sort of cracking correlation. But the CISD, holy. The CISD, just like the distance from Morocco to China, bro. this is China. This is more. It's take like, yeah, it's to take a low layover on the way up. Take that layover, and then we can take this one. We can catch the plane again, and then we can go fly. Yeah, the distance is huge. Just gotta wait for an expansion. For the next two candles to form some sort of gap, and then trade into the gap CISD, and we can have our low formed. So. How about Japan? Or wait, they have been on it for a week now. US claims something. Iran straight rejects it, and she keeps on wondering about it. Man, I don't know, but my brain tells me like this overall war stuff is not real. I don't know why. Yeah, I think there's nothing really going on, bro. Like not as much as we think it is. I don't know, bro. I think it's just some sort of drama there. I don't know. I might be wrong. I might be right. I don't know. Studies. What are you gonna study, Atom? What are you studying, by the way? How about Japan or Singapore? Oh, bro, it's really hard to get in Japan or Singapore. It's a bit tough. Like, especially if you want to do like master's degree or stuff like that. Depends on what you want to do. But you need the language. Japanese is really hard. I have to take a flight to have a flight. Can you go over a trade? There is no trade here, so there's nothing really I can go over. Check DC. Discord, do you mean check Discord? Oh, wait. Let me see. Holy. Oh, I missed MetaTrader, bro, I swear. I missed MG5 or MG4. It's been a minute. Nice. Perfect exit. Nice, man. Very good. Let me see how many subs. 1966. Come on, guys, if you haven't subscribed already or hit the thumbs up, it would be really good if you guys do it. That's it. We do have this two-stage PSP here. We do have this two-stage PSP here. But what is this? It's nothing. If there was a gap below it, then yeah, that would be like an SMT fail, so that would be good. But for the time being, this is really nothing, so yep, just gotta wait. We haven't closed the gap either, so yeah, man. So there ain't much we can do. Let's see how the 4 hours is forming. All right. Oh man, what we were talking about, guys? If you guys remember, we said like ideally want to see the AQ, but this is a little bit far away, and I was like maybe we're just gonna anticipate. That's good. Now we're getting the AQ. That's perfect actually. So let's see. Come on, NQ, you got it. Come on, NQ. Are we gonna form that strength switch here? I feel like we're gonna form that strength switch. So let me see the chat. Gold 4 hour to 30 minutes at 2 a.m. Alright, so we can check that out later. Bro, do we always need a 4 hour profile before even taking a photo? Yeah, man. Japanese here, don't waste your time. Japanese here, don't waste your time if you want to study there. I think it's an amazing place to live. Wait, are you from Japan? Oh, wow. Arigatou gozaimasu, or something like that. Did you study the university in English or Chinese? English. Finished my electrical engineering and I want to do course for a government now. For a government exam. Oh man, best of luck, man. Best of luck. Where are you from, bro? I'm from Morocco. Washimologoran. By the way, I've been watching Attack on Titan now, so Shinkoki no Kyojin. Shinkoki no Kyojin, or I don't know what you guys call it. I've been on it again, man. Like if I go to YouTube, bro, at least you'll see one video on my feed that has Attack on Titan. Let me check. Let me make sure if that's correct or not. Let me go to YouTube right now. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that, bro. Look what we got. What? Oh no. Take that off. I don't want to split screen. Look at that. We got one here, and we got Japan. Trading paid for this Japan trip. Morocco versus France. So, yeah. That's all war. Trump, 3-star Iranian infrastructure. Speed, yeah. So, yeah, I've been on some Attack on Titan again lately. Just trying to watch some clips again, bro. If you see, I think if you go to my feed, I think you'll be... No. Shinkoki no Kyujin. Watch One Piece. I know you'll say it's so long, but I swear. You got it, man. Yeah, bro, it's too long, man. It's too long. And with Attack on Titan, I started when it was on season 2 or season 3, so it was really good. Like you watch one season and then you go. So I'm from Morocco too. مرحبا يا أخي كيف الحال والأحوال. مرحبا بك الصديق. مرحبا بك داركم. Pedro. فين أخي Pedro. Come to Wakanda. We will welcome you here. Oh, for sure, man. I will be happy, man. And you guys come to Morocco. I'll take care of you guys. Like, just come to Morocco. Give me a call. But the only condition is just I should be in Morocco. If I'm not in Morocco, then you guys should come to China. And what model you use? GxT. Basically the Garrett's and TTFM 2-trace fractal model and Garrett's profiling. Together they give you the GxT. Have Ryan J. Perfect. Have you ever visited Wakanda? Nah, bro, never. Never ever. Haven't visited. Like I've only visited I've only visited 4 countries in my life, so I haven't been traveling that much. So I've just been to my country, of course. Turkey, China, Thailand. That's it. These are like 3 countries I've been to. But I want to travel more. If I have the chance. That's why I want to go to Europe because, yeah, bro, it's easy to go to the other countries, man. You can just take a car and drive from Italy to Switzerland, and then from Switzerland to go to whatever, and then, yeah, it's a lot easier for travel. So I think we got a lot of new people here because they ask where I'm from. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, you should subscribe. Thanks. Hey Tom, where are you from? We are never ever getting back to you. Man, you should come to China, trust me. Alright, so wait, guys. So we have the strength switch here. We have a beautiful strength switch here. Okay. Let me see. Are we gonna get the CISD? If we get the CISD, then I'm gonna give it a shot. We're gonna give it a shot here. So let's see. You trade every London session? When I'm free, yeah. $6 a.m. I trade for, but I'll be streaming. I think tomorrow I'll be streaming also 6 a.m. I guess Wednesday, Thursday. I think Thursday too. Maybe Friday too. Who knows? So yeah, we'll be having 2 streams a day. That way, even if I decide to stop streaming, the goal for 15 streams a month would be done. So would be achieved just within 1 week. Again, not 1 week, but yeah, it will be so close. So guys, if you haven't liked the stream already, that would be great. If you guys haven't hit the thumbs up, go ahead and do so. We got 40 viewers here. Welcome everybody to the best stream on earth. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Yeah, so you don't miss out on the streams, because we're gonna close this stream in an hour, and also we're gonna start another stream at 9:30. So if you don't want to miss out on the stream, yeah, just go ahead and do so. So, bro, have a look at gold. It's still, yeah, nothing, because this SMT, it ain't much. But okay, it's not really good looking, man. Like the 4-hour is good. But let's see. Let's wait for the hourly to close. Let's wait for the hourly to close. Like if we have the hourly closure, that would be good. Like we'll just see PSV, then we can anticipate it, because there's no gap here on the hourly. But ideally, even though like it's a minor gap, but it still might cause some problems there. Yo, there's news update on Forex Factory. Okay, let me check. Let me check that out. Thanks, Atom. Okay. Iran's mirror explosion early. Iran mirror explosion early. Senior Iranian source Iran has rejected temporary ceasefire. Senior Iranian source has rejected. Senior Iranian source. Oh, here we go. That was the reason, and for that I'm and I was short on 1 minute. Change of character, 150 pips bagged. Oh my god! Like the heaven for somebody is hell for somebody else. The days of good price action is over. I saw it in one. Oh man, be nice, be nice. So it's time not to be nice. Things are not looking good for any regime. There's ability to make current. I just quit trading until 29 to small man can do that mentally. Oh man, that's good. As soon as I enter, this happens. Gold, hello. Here we go again. What a market. Oh man, this was fun, bro. that was funny, to be honest. Let me log in. Wait. Let me log in. Let me log in so I can like this. So I can like whatever they say. All right. Where's that? I think it was this one, right? Let me give him some like that. That was funny though. I like it. The day of good pricing is over. It'd be nice. That sense, so that'd be nice. Girl, man, talk. I like to know temporary ceasefire. What the heck is that? In the war fight, even. Oh, that's a good one, man. Another month of war. Good moves for gold. I'm guessing one more month for war. But isn't the war good for America? What do you guys think? I think they got the Venezuelan what is it called? They got the Venezuelan gas, and for Venezuela gas, I think it costs like to kind of like properly have a 1 barrel. I think it costs like $80. So it's good for them to have oil prices high. So when they sell the Venezuelan oil, they can make some profit, like $30 off of each one. So I think it's good for them. So I don't know, bro. I think this war is beneficial for America. And I don't know. I might be just talking. I might be just yapping. Who knows? Like this is like my basic point of view. The comments are always hilarious. Yeah, man. I want to go to Japan and live anime. I want to live anime lifestyle. That's good, man. Your bias is bearish on gold. It's a bit neutral because we're in a sideways range, but ideally I want to look for buys. The other fact that we have that open low. Where's 1800? Open low, high, but there's nothing really we can frame reversals off other than like this hourly gap, this tiny gap, or 3 minute, and now we're just driving way deep into the leg. So it ain't that clean. It ain't that clean for the time being. It's not good. It's not good for America at all. They are paying a lot. I don't know, man. Should have held my trades. Like, I cannot really trust anything that is going on the news. Like, oh, America sends a rocket for $3 million, and then Iran just kind of like sends a drone for $40K to kind of stop it. I don't know. I don't believe none of that. I don't know why, but and then America went to Ukraine to tell them, hey, can you give us the same drone so we can stop? I don't know, bro. I don't trust this. Maybe I'm just I don't know. Maybe I just don't believe anything I see. Only also cannot compensation for that. But are there any like I don't know. It's just like one of my Japanese. At this point, man, I cannot really trust anything that is. I saw the other day, Andrew Tate. I saw one of his videos, and it kind of made sense to me. He said, like, and we all will live through the pandemic. I don't know if I'm gonna get banned on the stream for saying that or not, but whatever. But if you really read the news about the pandemic, you'd be like, oh, what the fuck was going on? But bro, the pandemic was so fine. Like, there was nothing. Yeah, there was quarantine, but if you read it as a story, bro, I don't know, you'll be thinking, oh my god, oh man, people really struggled. But we did not struggle, man. I don't know. I'm talking about myself and where I used to live. It was normal life, quarantine, nothing going on. I don't know. The death numbers are going higher and higher, but everybody I ask, like, is somebody from your family died? He says no. So I don't know, bro. Like, everybody that dies, they be like, oh, they died because of the virus. I don't know. It's just so from that point, I just stopped believing everything I read, and I just see if it makes sense to me or not. So. دير لينا شي شانل بالعربية بالانجلي عاد سخافن عند دير لينا شي شانل بالعربية لونجلي عاد سخافن سكحاف والله يا خويا ما فهمتش كتبتي عاد والله ما فهمت هذيك الكلمة. I did not really understand what you said. But anyway, away from politics and away from all these perspectives, let's just trade, guys. Let's forget about everything here that is going on. Let's focus on the purpose that we're here for, trading. More and more, it feels like it's gonna get worse. Bro, just keep the PA clean, and they can do whatever the fuck they want. As long as we can trade the PA, bro, I don't care, man. They can do whatever. They can bump each other. I don't care. Just give me a clean PA. I can trade. As long as I'm safe. China is safe. Morocco is safe. Yeah, they can live with their decisions, man. Hopefully, just the only wish is like the people that have nothing to do with like the war don't get hurt. That's it. If it's the government versus government, they can do whatever. But at the end of the day, like that. Anyways, forget about it. What's up, my G? What's up, Robeson? How are you doing, my brother? You good? All good, man. It's been a minute. So we still have like 45 minutes of stream, so hopefully we can have something set up by then. So hopefully. Yeah, do you see Atom? Yeah, bro, 37 people and 19 likes. Yeah, man, Atom is a good one, man. All right, you guys can like the stream if you want to like, and also you should like, and you know what I'm saying. So let's see. All right, so we're just retracing way deeper in the leg. If we get this SMT here, I might have another story. So just as we said earlier, this SMT here is not really relevant because this is nothing. Like if this candle formed a gap, that would be good. If not, then yeah, it's nothing. But if we have now this SMT here, that might be good. That might be good because this is a relevant swing. Like ideally this, but I don't think we're gonna trade all the way down here. I'm gonna keep this one protected. I don't think so. So yeah. Let's see. By the way, on stream I get more views on trading 6 a.m. than trading 9:30. I think because by 9:30 there are a lot of streamers already on YouTube, so that's good. That's good that we're streaming on 6 a.m. today and also 9:30. All right, we got one new sub. Thank you guys. Thank you. If you guys want to see yourself, so this is the current sub count that we have. Before the stream, we want to get it to 1970. So if you haven't subscribed already, we're just 3 people away from that goal. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, we're still like if you want to do my math, I think 133 away from the goal. So how many days are left? I think we got like 23 days. So divided by 23. Is it like 4, 5, 15? I think 6, 126, 18, 128, 138. Okay. So each day we gotta make 8 subs. By 23 days, that will be 120, 138. So we can surpass that goal. So we'll have 5 extra people. So we'll have 1 to 05. So we can achieve the goal. So yeah. We'll need 6 people to subscribe today. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Alright? So that would be good. If you guys haven't subscribed already, that would get us closer to the goal. Let me see. Mean you only take SMT that is on a kilo. Yeah. It should like this is the purpose of SMT is like one traded into a key level and one did not. That's the purpose of SMT. But if you're just gonna frame it to every candle or with consecutive candle like this one here. I'm sure this was an SMT. This is the trade that was framing yesterday. That I was doing like an end of day markup for it. So these are also kind of make sense to me. I was bullish earlier, but after the news came out. Look at Euro and Euro GBP. What's the time there? Yeah, literally, turn the New York zone from AM to PM or PM to AM. That's it. There's the time there. So 6:47, 6:47. It's 12 hours lagging behind. So, like, let's see. I think we're gonna get to. I was bullish earlier, but after the news came out, I don't know where the price is heading to. Yeah, bro. So, I just gotta wait here, man. Like, look at why I'm sleeping behind these fair swings. ES, like, actually they trade above the high, but could you trade this? No. Why? Because if we're gonna reverse, here's the thing. Like, a quick lesson again. Don't take it for a grain of salt. If you're gonna reverse, either we're gonna reverse off of the key level itself, or like trade above that previous candle's high and then reverse. But if you really check on an hourly, the last hourly candle, is this a reversal candle? No, it's not. Look what we have below it. We have a fat ass gap. Okay, so what can we anticipate? Where can we anticipate to kind of reverse off from? Like, go higher and then reverse. But we don't have that. So this move is not really anticipated. Even like if you want to try it, let's say the M1. Maybe like here. Just like what Atom took. That's the only thing you could have taken, and you could have taken out here. Or if you're taking this one. But it still doesn't really support expansion due to the fact that we have this hourly gap here that doesn't look like it's gonna fail, but now it failed. So yeah, we just gotta wait here, man. Now I literally should have held my trades. Yeah, man, but I think you could have got taken out, I guess. Depends on where you entered. I think you entered on the. I think you entered here. So if you put your stop here, you could have been taken out. If you put it here, then you're good to go. Let me check Discord. See where you got entered there. Let me see where you entered. Yup. I think you got entered. Oh, wait. What is that? Your story. So entered here. Oh, wow. You could have been still protected, man. Yeah. You could have still been in the trade. For that move. For this whole move. Could have been in the trade. Let me see the other one. NQ. I think the other one was NQ. This was your story. This was NAS. Yeah. Look at that. It could have been taken out here. The high got taken out, got swept. And then. So. On US story, you would have been saved. You could have been saved. Let me charge my phone because I gotta head out in like half an hour. So. I entered an NQ the first drop, and why am I the second drop? I got you, marijuana. All right, let's redo the analysis and see what we got here. 4 hour. We do have. Let me clean all this out. Input ES, since we have a graph correlation with ES now. So I think we might be going to this hourly low here. But again, remember, just like what we have on gold. This example is such a good example. What do we have? Gap, right? Gap. Just something that you guys can take away from this stream. Retracement, then expansion into whatever low that was formed. Not here, whatever low that was formed. Retracement, take whatever low that was formed. Not here. So this is the same. If you want to call it a pattern, that's what I'm gonna follow. Which also, like, if you go to M15, what do we have? Gap. Retracement back to the gap after kind of inversing this gap. SMT fail or a new C2. Expansion to the low, or like this low here. And call it a day. If not, then yeah. 930 is waiting. If 930 no trade, we gotta wait for 1400. If 1400 no trade, then you guys know what happened. You guys know what will happen. You guys already saw it yesterday. So yeah. But I think we'll have a trade here, so ain't gotta rush it. And play music, bro. Do you guys know Sean Lee? Does anybody know this guy? I asked you guys earlier on stream. Do you guys know this guy? Does anybody know Sean Lee? YMH1C3. But look how far we are in the range, man. Like I cannot really take it. Holy fuck, man. But it's alright, man. You did what you had to do. You got out, so you followed your plan. That's all that matters. At least you made some money there. At least you took a trade. That's all that matters. So. Suddenly. Wait, let me check OBS. Okay, you guys cannot hear. Okay. Like we do have this SMT here now. We're confirming the hive day. We might confirm it with like this hourly CISD, and we also have an SMT with the previous daily high. But it's not the cleanest. Give me a retracement, please. Swing formation, and then yeah. Because as you guys know, I confirm a reversal 4-hour candle with an hourly swing. Like this is bullish, this is bearish. I would confirm this, the high of this, what just happened? The high of this 4-hour candle with an hourly swing, because it's the opposite of the previous candle. So, but if I want to frame the continuation, I can just take an F15 swing or whatever. Is that a valid trade? The one that Atom took, it's valid for him. He took it based off the TTFM, so, but it's not something I would take. All right, let's see if we got some sort of SMT fill here. That would be good. That would be good to get a SMT fill. Yeah, the SMT, like, look at the gap. It's sitting at the EQ, like, literally perfectly sitting at the EQ. Or, like, if we were to manipulate these levels here, retracement back, continuation back, that would be perfect. No, YMH1C3. No, I would not take it, bro. I would not trade. Would you trade? Would you want to take a sell after this? Like it happened to me yesterday on CL. I would not repeat the same mistake. Where was it? Literally, I got in here, bro. I got in on a trade here. Where was it? Yeah, I got in on a trade. What? Where the fuck was it? I forgot. Was it here? I forgot, bro. Let me see. Where was my trade yesterday? That has a canal on. Where was it? Yeah, it was here. Let me cut through price. Hourly. Just like that. Like, cheat above a level. Cheat above a key level. And I was trying to frame a continuation for... It's like same on YM right now. We traded into the key... Almost at the key level. Yeah, we traded below the key level. So, this is not the time to be looking for shorts, man. It's time for... wait for the swing and then continuation lower. Oh, I like this song, man. I like this song, bro. I missed it. It's a beat, more of a beat. It's really good. Oh, whoa. No. Alright. CL. Nothing on CL, man. Nothing that I see. Again, similar type. Take the lesson from here. I'm just gonna take the lesson from here. I'm just gonna keep this one here open for you guys. Also for me. We got a gap, right? We got a fat ass gap. Am I gonna trade into it? No, I cannot. Like, it's confirming a CISD. What I need to wait for is a gap here after we displace beyond this gap, and then I can take buys. I cannot really take buys right now. I can't. So I want to be on the conservative side. I don't want to be risking. I don't want to be aggressive with my trades anymore. Look at HO, just expanded. Like, look at these gaps. Like, whenever you have a gap, it kind of slows down price. Like, at least you're gonna slow down for 1, 2, 3, 4, like for an hour. Like, if you try to get in here, like, yeah, price action will be just too slow, and you don't know, like, if you're gonna retrace and then continue, and you get taken out, or to miss all this, just be patient. I want to be patient, bro. I did not for yesterday. I was not really patient. So yeah, I wanna make up for it today, and for the rest of my trading life. Even if we consider YM trade, we don't have any model C3. Even if we consider YM trade, we don't have an entry model on C3. What do you mean? You can trade the C4, by the way. You can, and you have the SMT. So what do we have here? Like, if you want to force it, again, this is not to take it, but just to show you guys. We have the SMT here, C2, C3. You want to trade the C4. Like, you can basically, but it's just not good. You took the calendar with friend auto. Can you go through that? Bro, come on, you wanna put me on? Bro is setting me up. Which one? Because I took two, by the way. I also took one yesterday. I think you were not here on stream yesterday. I took one, by the way, yesterday. It was an $800 winner, by the way. I was like, we went with the chat and they were like, okay, sell. We wanted to go for a buy, we did not, and then we saw was so interested in up. I was like, let's go for it, because I thought the expiry date for the account was yesterday, so I was like, let me give it a shot. But then I realized it's today, and I'm up. Let me show you guys. Should it be this one? I think it should be no, not this one. I think it should be. I think maybe the account is here. I'm not sure. Is it on the NAS right? Connect? Nope. It's not here. Let me go here. Same. Okay, 1 sec. I'll be back. Let me log into my TraderVate. 1 sec. Let me log into my TraderVate here. 1 sec, boys. Trying to get the credentials here. Because I got the credentials on a Notion page. I don't want to go back to open my funded futures and then search for it. It's just a lot easier for me to. So it will show the credentials here. What? Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Log in. I think we're good to go. Let me close. Alright, let me close that out. Alright. Alright, we good. So the account is sitting at this. No trades taken today, by the way. Notification log. Buy add to. Yeah, this is yesterday. I think this was yesterday. Yeah. That's okay. 2 contracts still. I got out after 9 seconds. For 1 hour YM, Darab Sunset. Wait. No, YM H1C3. No, to take it to the lows, no, it's not, man. Because the 4 hour closed bullish. The 4 hour closed bullish, and the last hourly candle closed bearish. And the daily is bullish. So now we're just going with an hourly swing. It's not valid. For me. Like, just look how many. Let's go to hourly. Like, where's 1800? 1800 is here. So it was like the daily was almost. Oh, we cheated back to daily open. Wow. YM was perfect into daily open. Okay. But yeah, I wouldn't take it, especially with like this high close proximity. I would anticipate actually the how to get taken out, even though we have the SMT, but it did not. So now what do we have? A clean expansion. Let's hit a 45, 90 minute, 3 minute, 15. So yeah, and we might form a gap here to continue from. That will be like the last two 15-minute candles, and then I'll call it a day. It was funny. After that, C3, C4 expansion is low. Yeah, exactly. It was some crazy buy at the top. Even if we took 1 hour, 5-minute TTFM, we don't have an entry setup. Even if we took 1 hour, we don't have an entry setup. Let me see. I think maybe, yeah. Wait, they changed the contract. Okay, they're putting me on the execution contract. Okay. This is the continue with contract? No, this is 2026. June, okay. Oil. Yeah, there's nothing really going on here, boys. Il y a rien pour faire. Il y a rien. Ah, there's nothing. All right. You do have a 5-minute entry. Let me check. Let's see. I wouldn't really take this one, by the way. 3-minute? I would actually take this one. It looks a lot better. I would take this one, like this opposing candle here. I don't like when we just kind of range. Like, this is almost a range bound CISD. I like clean retracement back. We trade above a high. We trade kind of into this volume imbalance. Then trade it lower. So, but it's not a trade anyway. So let's not take a look at it. So for the new people that are here, welcome. You guys can, if you guys are enjoying the stream or this is your first time, you can ask questions. And also at the same time, if you haven't liked or subscribed, do so to not miss out on future streams. That's really it. Next year, that's a good one too. Look at that, bro. Let me see Euro on GPP. Yeah, same. GPP. Yeah, it's... Oh, wow. Look at that. Very good. Oh, look who's here. Oh, wow. IX3. What's up, man? It's been a year. Into shorts and incurred from 3 minutes CISD. Oh, my days, bro. Where? Here? Or you want to take one here? Or here? I'm not sure. What's up, man? How you doing? Profi the bot, how you doing too, man? Small opposing, because low probability to hold the price. Exactly, man. Exactly. Stopped out or break even. No worries, man. It's all good. It's all good, mi hermano. All right. We gotta step on like the next 20 minutes. Go get my clothes done and then get ready. And we'll be back at 9:30. Let me schedule the stream right now. Wait. Let me schedule the stream right now. Oh, wow. We still got 1 sub to 1970. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, look at that. Who's going to be the lucky one that's going to take us to 1970? Let's see. All right. We're 1 step away from... I like round numbers, guys. I like round numbers. I like 1970, 1975. I think 5 is also a round number. I like 5. 0 and 5, they look good. So let me refresh one more time. I think we're going to get to 1970 before I call it a day on stream. I'm sure. Yeah, because the boys here on stream love what I do. So let me see, when is that gonna happen? That's the question. Is it this minute or the next minute? So let's give it like 3 minutes. Would you have considered that NSC's reverse like yesterday? Took the previous day. Alan didn't, but I can see a 1 stage SMT, not 2 stage. Am I thinking? Yep, exactly. It's only a 1 stage, so yeah, I wouldn't really trade it. Bro, Nano no Kanadinga. Oh my god, what is this? Yeah, I was busy in my job switch. I will be starting streaming sooner. Nice, man. Nice, nice, nice. Very good. Let's see. Oh, I was gonna show you guys something I forgot. Oh my god. Oh wow. Ah, I was gonna schedule the stream. I forgot, bro. Thank you. I'm starting to get it. I'm glad that I can help, man. Sunny day. Oh man. Dean, you gotta share a picture with us on Discord. You gotta check a picture. You gotta share. Let's all call Dean. Let me see. Is your username the same? I don't know. I'm not sure what's your username, man, on Discord. So, if you guys have a beautiful weather, send them on Discord. Let's schedule the stream for 9:30. We can go create, go live, schedule, reuse settings. We're gonna go to April 7th. April 7th. We're gonna do next. We're gonna do a 9:30. 9:30. Done. All right. So we got the stream scheduled, guys. So let me share this. Let me share it on the Discord so you guys can. Or let me do. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What is this? No, 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 no. Oh my god, bro. There's something going on. Oh wow. They're streaming 2 streams at the same time. Holy fuck. Oh wow. Wait. Oh, so I can. Oh wow. I can do 2 streams at the same time with 2 different titles. That's good. I can target 2 people at the same time. Wow, and they're both working excellent. That's good. Let me just copy the link for y'all and then go to here, go to Discord. Oh wow, look who shared the picture. Oh wow, I like this place. I really like this place. Wow, the Netherlands is beautiful, man. I like these houses here, the lake. Boats? Wow. Nice. Is this like a long lake like that goes around? Like is this a long river or wow, nice. Is this a jet ski? Nice, man. That looks good. That looks fire. Not gonna. Oh, so this is Dean. Okay. Can I view invite? Sorry. Okay, gonna block. I don't know how to change your name, so to be able to spot you, but S. Okay. Nice, man. Very good. Like fire. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do fire. No, it's already in there. Okay. Fire, man. Really fire. Let me do that. Add everyone. Do this. All right. Alrighty. Let me see. Sure, bro. I know T-Trade. On YouTube, not personally. Netherlands canals, nice. Oh, it's a good view. Yeah, it is, man. That's the beauty of Europe, man. That's the beauty of Europe. Such a beautiful continent. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Let me see if we got to 1970. That would be good if we did get to it. Let me see. Let's see. Oh man. Oh man. Now I'm getting frustration, guys. I'm getting frustrated. Come on. If you guys have enough to subscribe already, 1970. We've been stuck at 1900 for ages, so let's get to 2K. It's gonna give us like a fresh motivation, and we'll post there. Or you know what? What do you guys think about posting the backtesting session for 2K subs until we get to 2K subs? Or we put the backtesting session and it's gonna be the reason to get to 2K subs. So it's either or. If we get to 2K, we get this one, or if we post the video, we will get to 2K. So which if statement are we gonna go with? Programmers out there, which one are we gonna go with? How do you guys think? Let me see. Let me refresh one more time. Oh man, it's still stuck. Okay, I'm mad. Alright. I think there's nothing really here. So for the time being, there's nothing really. What we can do, wait for this gap to form. Have like a 1-stage or 2-stage cracking correlation there. And that would be really it. That would be like the only thing we can do right now. So 2K for a backtest. That's a good one. So let's see. We got 30 subs. So I think in a week it will be posted. Hopefully. But I think let's see. While bro is using a while loop. While subs above 2K backtest. Oh, that's good, man. All right, that's a good function. This is the function that we're gonna go with, guys. End loop. I will hop off. Shoot me a message on Discord if you need anything. Sure, gang. All right, man. Thanks. Thank you, my brother. All right, see you, man. And I'm gonna hop out too in like 5 minutes. So, see you, brother. See you soon. See you soon. All right. So the only thing we can do right now is wait if we're gonna get this SMT fail. If we get it, we'll have a trade into this low because now we traded below these lows, all these lows, and now we have a failure to manipulate. So the next relevant swing will not be here. Will not be the low it's up. Will be a low to the left. And we also kind of react enough of this gap if you guys really check. Like these tiny gaps, like do actually affect the price. Like do actually give reactions. So what we can do right now is wait for a 1-stage and the next 50 seconds. If we get it, that's good. If not, I'm gonna call it a day. Go put on my clothes and call it a day, and we'll be back at 9:30. So for all the people that are here, if you haven't, you should go to the what is it called? You should go to the Discord and press the link, and then you'll be able to see the stream. What you're gonna do, go here and press notify me so you can get notified. Okay, so you guys can get notified once the stream is on. Okay, we'll be live in 2 hours. Okay, so yeah, if you guys haven't done that already, go ahead and do so, and let's see what we're gonna get. So for now, ideally, we want to see YM's the one that kind of like having some strength here, so we can have some sort of strength switch. Because we want oh my god. Okay. No trade, boys. No trade, boys. No trade. Alright. So all the assets traded into the gap, so yep. It has to be like now this 30-minute gap here. That is about to form. In the next 15 minutes. Yeah, so yeah, there's nothing really we can do here. So let's wait and see. 3 minutes. By the way, I used to trade, not I use, like I still trade it, but I'm just less doing it right now due to the fact that I use some G fails. The failure to manipulate. This is a failure to manipulate signature for me. If we get the CISD, this is a failure to manipulate signature to go to lows. So let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get in the next 3 minutes. Will it give 2R? Will it give 2R? I think it will. I think you should. Yeah, it is given 2R. Comfortably. That's good. Let me see. You know, with we can only chat if we subscribe, right? Then Garrett also sub to chat. You know, we can only chat if we subscribe, right? Then Garrett. Oh, for real? I don't know. If I think it's for everybody to chat. I'm not sure. Do you have to subscribe to chat? That would be great, man. Because the other day Garrett helped on, like, and nice, man. That's random thought, but it's a crazy thought. That's a good one, man. Yeah, Garrett helped on the other day, so I think he's up. What's up, Garrett? Oh man, we gotta schedule a stream with him, bro. I'll as I said, hopefully the channel grows to a point. Bro, my IG, I forgot about my IG. Holy shit. Where my IG sitting at? I've never posted a video on Instagram. Let me check, bro. Holy fuck. It should be Instagram that I should be putting out, like putting out more efforts on, because it's just it's easier to get like a lot of let me see. I'm sitting at how many subs? The refined trader. I completely forgot about it, man. Holy. I'm sitting at, look at that. I don't even follow myself. I'm not even following myself. This is, by the way, like, this is my private account. Yeah. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah. So, I'm not even following myself. 74 followers. All right. Nope, it's only for subscribers. Nice, man. Oh, that's good, man. Nice. That's good. That's a good, the random thought, man. That's a good one. I think we're not gonna get a trade here. Let's see. This one is not good. That is playing on the background. It's not good. Midnight. Wait. That's fine. Not bad. Not good. Not good. Not good. Oh, that's good. That's a good one. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one. Gonna keep this one playing in the background. All right. Oh my god, look at that, bro. Somebody just unsubbed. I think somebody's just trying to test the chat. Let me check. Price became choppy after that move. I don't think we can get a trade. Oh my god, bro. Look, if we don't get a trade, we gotta gamble. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be TGR sometimes. You gotta get TGR mode sometimes. So shout out to TGR from here. Garrett is, yeah, maybe. It was like, oh, these guys know I'm watching, I'm learning my model from this guy. I gotta unsub. They know. Oh man, that's smart. this guy's is trading my model. And me. Alright, Alright, that's really it for our stream, guys. It's been like an hour and a half. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much. All the love and support for you guys. So I'll see you in exactly 2 hours, okay? 2 hours and 10 minutes. I might be a little bit late. I might be a little bit late, like 10 minutes late, but make sure to hop on 9:30. 9:30. If you haven't hit the, what is it called? What is it called? This notification on. If you haven't done it already, go ahead and do so. And we're sitting at 1.96 sub. Wow, it looks really clean here. It looks really good. It looks like a huge number here. Very good. All right. So yeah, go to notification. I'm gonna make it easier for you guys. So we're just gonna go here and press the link in the chat. Paste the link in the chat so you guys can go ahead and go directly and let's have a chat here. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. So yeah, you guys can go directly to the stream and we can have a chat here. And yep, that's really it. Thank you guys for tuning in. And yeah, see you guys in the next 2 hours. Yeah, it'll be exactly 2 hours. So yeah, estas Dios. I don't know, like that. Let me see. I think there's a feature here that you can send somebody directly. Meow meow. Best mod. And Robson. Best mods. Robson and Atom. Alright, all love and support. See you guys. Estas noches. See you guys in not estas noches. See you guys in 2 hours. Take care. Adios amigos.